Okay, so let's begin. Now I do have reference. Um, one day I really want to be able to just draw my own stuff, but it's so hard to come up with things just through experience from imagination. But sometimes when I draw, when I do have reference, I I become tight almost. Like I'm almost not my usual self, which I don't like because I feel like I'm hiding or I'm trying to control my natural tendency to be wild, and I don't like that. Just erase. And also, I have this thing where I think it's just better, not better, but just it's more efficient to draw with like one layer, especially if you're just if you're just going for like a sketch anyway, like whatever. Like to me, it's not a big deal. Also, for anime characters, I do notice a lot of them tend to be um like the face is framed oftentimes with bangs. Now, not everyone has bangs, but I feel like it's a great way to just save time almost. I like it when the eyes are kind of like more closed. It feels like they're sleepy or just not just sleepy, but there's like an energy there, like a hidden energy. Um, if you feel me, you feel me, and I like it. Um, so it's not like I'm referencing a photo; it's someone else's like art or pose. Well, yeah, but my idea here is, what if I can do these types of sketches for like within 10 minutes? I want to be able to do that a lot. Now, is it possible? I don't know, but I feel like it is. And I feel like by sketching a lot in this way, I'm sort of forcing myself to learn how to draw more efficiently. Because if you give yourself like 2 hours, your painting or sketch is gonna last 2 hours. If you give yourself 2 minutes, you're gonna get something within 2 minutes. It's pretty aggressive, but I think something can come up with that. Oh, by the way, if you're drawing with your like say standalone tablet, I have the Yugi tablet here, the 14-inch one. I do recommend using a keyboard with it. I mean, you could use like the side buttons here. You can't see it, but it's just to me, it's so inefficient. Inefficient. Wait, let me just drink some juice. Iced tea. Sorry, because I've seen so many like artists online. When they draw, it's for example when they're drawing with their iPad, like it's just lots of clicking with just their fingers or finger tapping to get to certain settings. It's not bad, but I feel like it's gonna be a struggle. If for someone who's already used to using a keyboard, I don't recommend you relearn how to use just a tablet alone. Just get yourself a Bluetooth keyboard. For me, I have one kind of switches that helps me switch between like my laptop and um. Sorry, I need to lock in my laptop and my this tablet. A little brush there. I also want to find a way to like draw ears a lot faster. Jesus, it's so ugly. Legendary lovers. Ooh. I know that's like a tangent, but do you see that? Is it messy? Yeah, but I think it's giving a bit of I don't know. Like there's something there to be seen, to be heard, to be. I'm gonna use a different brush. We'll try this flatter guy. I feel like we can do something with. I don't even know. Should it be? It's like a flat brush, but it's more. I am changing something, basically making the jam ginormous. You know what? I think it can't be that dark. We'll use a little bit of a light gray, so like that. Oh, too much. Just a lighter gray. And then I want to go back to this guy, or in a different black. And then I want to just shade in the darkest of the darks. Maybe I also want to bolden maybe the outer lines. Basically the overall contour to give it that Art Nouveau kind of look. Is it perfect? No, but do you see how we can we it's possible to create something. It's possible to get some. Oh, let me check my time. Okay, 6 minutes. I did a few videos before this. I wasn't really sketching anything. It was more of like a notes, open, free speaking kind of thing, where you just explain my current like thoughts, ideas. So I'm gonna keep doing those too, but obviously I'm not gonna keep ranting only. I want to draw at the same time. And I feel like if I do this, I can do a lot of these fast because I have to be honest with myself. I'm more of a speedy, rough kind of guy anyway. So why force myself to legendary lovers to be something I'm not? I mean that's good enough. I feel like. Let me just use a different brush. Let's go for maybe a watercolor. I don't know. I think I'm doing too much. Just to add a bit of like shading. Am I doing too much? I feel like I am. I kind of wanna. I don't wanna remove too much of that contrast. Okay, 8 minutes. Oh my fucking god! Legendary lovers. um, I think that's okay. Excuse me. Not everything has to be. What I like about using negative space is you can kind of suggest things without having to do a lot, right? You're just sort of allowing the viewer to actually do work for you. To me, that's pretty fucking. I'll make the brush bigger. Do that. One big brush stroke to illustrate. Oh my god, that's cute. Come on. I want to show that this shoulder thing, her like sweater that's covering her face, I want it to be a bit thicker over. Oh shit. Just to show that it's in front. There you go. Is that a good sketch? Come on. I think so. Let's go back here and make some suggestion of maybe some stripes. It's supposed to be like a checkered something, but um makes a shadow there. Like this guy up. And what's so cool is if you're gonna buy a tablet, make sure it has pen tilt. It just makes your work look cooler. Oh my fucking god. Come here. Fuck. Let me check my 9 minutes. I'm close to 10 minutes. I'm doing too much. I'm not even sure what the max time is for like I know on YouTube if I post like the limit for portrait videos is like 3 minutes for it to be classified as like a short. So I'm gonna have some videos on my YouTube where it's just it's vertical. You can watch it vertically on your phone. but it's not going to be considered a short. So this is where it's going to be. So you can see me kind of sketch in real time. And I think I'm going to max it out to, uh, 5 to maybe 10 minutes. I want to see where this kind of content can shine the most. Is it on YouTube? Is it on TikTok? Is it on Instagram Reels? So we're gonna have to see how this whole thing pans out. But um, we're definitely gonna be doing this a lot more. Definitely. Legendary lovers. Ooh, legendary. I'm not even sure. Okay, I'm gonna stop the sketch here. That's it for the sketch. I'll see you in the next episode. Not. Oh, by the way, brushes links below. Clip Studio Paint. Anyway, that's it. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.